Annyeong! Today we're making kongbul, a quick spicy stir-fry made with pork and bean sprouts. It's mouth-wateringly good, very spicy, and super easy to whip up. In Korea, this dish is especially popular among students and young adults because it's cheap, simple, healthy, and goes perfectly with a bowl of rice. Let me show you how to make it at home. For this dish, we're using just 3 main ingredients: pork, bean sprouts, and onion. Use about 450 grams or 1 pound of pork. Most restaurants use pork belly, but to cut down on calories, I'm using pork shoulder. If you can, get it thinly shaved. If not, just slice it as thinly as possible. It's much easier to cut when it's slightly frozen. Next, prepare about 250 grams or 9 ounces of cleaned bean sprouts. It might seem like a lot at first, but trust me, it cooks down quite a bit. Feel free to use even more if you like. Then slice a small onion into thin strips. That's it for the prep. Super simple. To make the spicy kongbul sauce, combine half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru or Korean chili powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of gochujang or Korean chili paste, and a pinch of black pepper. This is your base seasoning. It's bold, slightly sweet, and honestly quite spicy. If you want to tone it down a little, reduce the gochugaru. Mix everything together until smooth and set it aside. In a large pan, layer your ingredients in this order. First the onions, then the bean sprouts, and finally the sliced pork on top. Try to spread out the pork so it cooks evenly. Then pour the sauce over the pork. Turn the heat to medium-high, cover with a lid, and let it cook for 5 minutes. We didn't add any oil or water, but it will not burn. The liquid from the bean sprouts and onions will steam everything underneath. After 5 minutes, lift the lid. The sprouts should be wilted and the pork partially cooked. That's your sign to start stir-frying. Mix everything well until the pork is fully cooked and the sauce is evenly distributed. It should only take a few more minutes. And that's it! Kongbul, spicy pork stir-fried with bean sprouts and onion, all done in under 15 minutes. It's simple, fast, and doesn't require much effort. Perfect for a weekday dinner. Serve it over rice, or wrap it in lettuce for a lighter bite. All the ingredients and steps are listed in the description below, so check that out when you're ready to cook. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.